This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
Hey, you're late! Next time maybe you could call me and let me know.
Just show up, give it your best. That's what counts the most. That's what has its biggest impact.
No camera, but I think I have sound. Sorry guys, a little bit late. Let's get Discord up. I went as fast as I can, but no matter how fast my little feet carry me, somehow I'm always running behind. Wait, it says my camera's on. You're late. I'm late.
I was early, you're late.
Ha! Did you see my little you're late thing? I did it for you. You want to see you looking? Can you hear? If my stream? No, my stream. Can you hear my stream?
No, I can't hear your stream.
Okay, it's okay. Leave it. Okay, let's get shit open here. Let's move the accounts down. I got feedback during the 1 hour that I was gone. You know what the feedback was? That's not a group. Why can't I grab it? The feedback was, we want to see your accounts and we want to see your trade entries. You know, those little arrows and stuff. I said, okay. It's fun to hear you guys talk, but show what you're doing also. Which is what I used to do, to be honest with you. So I'll put it back up again. I had a little poll once. I asked if you guys remember. I asked them if they wanted to see it. I don't think
people focus on that as much as you think they do. A lot of people don't show any of that.
You are right. You are right.
You already live?
I think I was live since 1. I had the timer going. You know, the countdown?
Yeah. I
set it to a half an hour. But I didn't get to eat. So I'm going to have to eat on camera. I hate doing that. I didn't have time. I had to run to the convenience store, get myself some Diet Cola. Because we're out. And I'm making my lunch, which was pizza. You can't have pizza without Diet Cola. I don't even get the, you know, what's the irony of it, eh? You guys, you asked us live before. Omnius stream not on. Yes, I know. Why is Omnius stream not on? Omnius talk? You should be.
I haven't started mine yet.
Oh, okay, that's what he meant. No,
I'm gonna hang up on you for a second.
Yeah, no problem. It's unprofessional to eat online, guys. I'll see what it looks like. Doesn't really look good. I don't know what to do because I want to eat. Well, hey, nice. Look at Omnius's logo. Hey, he was busy while we were gone there for Hey, I like that. Uncle Mike. He was busy while we were gone. What did I do? I just went for a walk.
Really busy.
You. Look at that thumbnail that you got.
Oh, I reused it.
You have like a little team of graphic artists in your garage.
I'm doing music. Me, music, them people. I don't want to listen to them right now.
Why? We all get hungry. Well, yeah, we all get hungry, but you don't want to see a guy stuffing his face. I
Like
think
that one guy is?
Yeah, I think it's rude and crude. I don't know what to do. I want to
He was
eat.
getting mad at me one day. I was talking to him on Discord by myself. I was eating a cookie.
It's like,
You're
at
eating in
least,
front of people? Like,
at least I'm consistent, right?
I worry about eating in front of people?
Yeah, we're like the Odd Couple. Do you remember the show The Odd Couple? Did you ever see it?
No, I don't think so.
No. Well, no, they weren't a couple. They were just two guys. They were two guys.
When you go to a restaurant and everybody's eating.
Yeah, the name of the show was The Odd Couple. They weren't a couple.
Oh,
it was just two friends.
I got
No,
work to do.
because the way you were shaking your head, they weren't a couple. They were just two friends, but they were so different. So the name of the show was The Odd Couple. Maybe forcing a fart is rude. I don't know. I think among guys, I think farting is fun.
Yeah, you talk about me eating a cookie in front of you. You're eating in front of a stream.
Yeah, I have no choice. You can't let a pizza go to waste.
Oh man, I agree with that.
That's a cardinal rule.
All right, gotta set up my accounts. I'm just here for the YOLO.
If you guys hear me chewing and swallowing, let me know.
I was thinking about YOLO.
Yellow?
Yeah. Let's see. Let's put what we're doing. NQ. I cringe even putting NQ on my charts.
Do I want to trade anything? I don't want to touch my Bulenox accounts. Oh, I have Bulenox evals. I have the day trader eval too, which is ahead 100 and something. So maybe I'll use that one. No, I'm not going to YOLO though. I'm only going to take a 3-lot, 4-lot, maybe a 5-lot. Let's get it open.
Okay. All right, I got me a fistful of NQ.
Wow.
Make sure I get the right account.
I was going to say, it shouldn't be any different. I mean, what's different between eating and drinking? Online.
Yeah, same thing.
And I'm always drinking my coffee. There. I'm trying to make.
Mad if I get the wrong account.
I'm trying to make myself feel better. Day traders, Platform X. Let's get that open.
Just loading NQ on the chart, get your blood pumping.
What am I at? I'm up 108. Okay, I got a little bit of room to play with. A 5-lot is $10 a point.
Yeah, what am I looking for? I'm looking for the one that says YOLO, baby.
Here's the problem. You see, it hides the account. So I need a new place for this.
92. What if I go 90? I'm gonna be so mad if I miss it by like 2 ticks. We're set. YOLO, YOLO.
What time are you planning? For the 2 o'clock or for the 2:30? I don't know which one's more volatile. They're both pretty volatile. I think usually the bigger move is at 2:30 in my experience.
At 2 o'clock, right?
Well, 2 o'clock is when they pump out the decision and you get that insta move. Are you going to take a trade before it? Like, are you set?
Joker? Go message Joker. Where's he at? Where's Woodchip?
No, no kidding. You can't use daytraders.com. Wow, that's too bad.
For what?
Ruan, South Africa, can't use daytraders.com.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand that still. Like, why does it matter? Why you can use one company and not the other?
Yeah, that is kind of odd, eh?
Put this over here. Okay.
Guys, I'm working on setting up my screen just a little bit.
Yeah, all the news is at 2.
Yeah,
Conference is at 2:30.
2:30, yeah.
2.
Okay. Are you going to be taking it? You're going to wait for 2 and then go in, or are you going to get in like at 1:59?
159. 159.50.
Can I make a suggestion?
What?
There's huge spread at that time. You probably want to get in around 155 then. The spread's
Sometimes
gonna.
sometimes you get a pre-bounce.
Yeah, you do. I know. That's a chance. Almost. Yeah. Yes. Total net. What is this net? Yeah, that's a little bit of a problem.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'll let you figure it out.
Like
I'm
I
watching.
said, sometimes
I'm spectator.
I do it, sometimes it works. Sometimes it don't. Sure could use some improvement.
While you're doing it, I'll call out the spreads.
I'm just hoping I got the right accounts. You're over here talking about, well, what am I doing, this and that. I'm like, I don't know. I'm just hoping I got the right accounts. What was that disclaimer? Do not follow trades.
Yeah, do not follow our trades.
This is it for the week, right? What does that mean? For the news, yeah, I think FOMC is it.
Nice move up.
So we got 15 minutes. Ready to trade again. Let's take a look. I think that's it for the week. Let's see. FOMC 2 o'clock, 17. Tomorrow we got jobless claims at 8:30. And that's it for the week. There we go. Feds are live. Let's switch over to the Fed.
What's the link for that? What's the website? Fed.gov.u or something?
I got it from YouTube. Got Bloomberg now, but I think I'm gonna switch. I've never had problems with Bloomberg, but
oh, you're not on the okay. Well, I thought you were on the one that's fed.gov.u or something like that. Because I do know there is one that there we go. Oh, it's going to double display. Okay, now we just remove it.
Now the question is, we taking bets? Going up, going down?
I think we did that already.
That says 230. All right, go back to the other one.
I don't know how to do this. We'll have to figure it out another time.
What you trying to do?
Trying to get my little account screen to display logically, even if I change screens. So
Going back to Bloomberg. Need a disclaimer. These opinions are not necessarily ours.
Ren, can you use Tradeify? Seriously?
Like Bloomberg.
I don't know how you ban one and not the other.
Maybe they just haven't got the license yet.
Mm.
Areas, you gotta get different licenses.
Yep. Or they don't bother. They don't care. That happens a lot here where I am because of the French. You need to operate in French and you need to provide French information. So a lot of firms just say to hell with it.
Well, that's a process, right? You start in one country and then you move more and more and more.
Mm. Wow.
I would
You
think
can use-
Apex would be bigger than Bulenox.
Yeah, you can use Bulenox but not Apex. Anybody know which one started first? Was it Bulenox or Apex?
I don't know. There was quite a few out before Apex, but Apex kind of shot up with their loose rules.
Mm-hmm.
20 accounts. Personally, I think Bulenox has probably always been better. They just they don't promote very well.
Ruan, it's funny you say that because I always had that feeling that Bulenox and Apex was the same. Same thing with Lilu. Either he just copied or they all just kind of copied themselves. They really all look the same. They have so much similarities. Some differences, but so many similarities. I say to myself, this is odd.
I wouldn't doubt it if they come out with several different ones.
Why not? Smartest idea, because you are your own competition. You keep the whole market for yourself. Okay, for the Brave, we're going to be taking a trade. Current spread is 1/4 50. Quarter point, half point. I'll let you know where it goes to. I'm predicting numbers of 13 points to as much as 40 points spread. And that's the thing. If you're going to use a market order, that's the slippage you're going to experience. If the spread is 40 and 10 seconds before you buy at the market and then sell at the market, you're going to lose 40 points. You're going to get filled at those spreads, which is wrong in my opinion because there's other orders coming in also. And if you buy at the market and there's someone also selling at the market, they should match your orders. They shouldn't be able to take the sell order and fill it 40 points lower from trader A, and then trader B comes in at the same moment to buy at the market and they fill it 40 points higher. That just seems wrong.
Yeah, what can you do? I think some people set limits, like a stop limit. But then like I do, that your slippage can be insane. So I think you got to be in before.
Wow, 2 bottles of Pep. Oh, I bought Pepsi today. 2 bottles of Pepsi, $7. Doesn't that seem like too much? $8 after tax, to be honest with you.
That's just getting crazy, isn't it?
For 2 bottles of Pepsi, seriously? I'm an old guy. I still remember when it went over $1 a bottle, I was having a heart attack. Now it's $4 a bottle.
Talking about the 20 ounces or the 24 ounces?
The 2 liter. That's 8, 16, 24, 32, 64 ounce.
I told you I used to drink a lot of soda. And the job I had, I remember I think it was 24 ounce, went from like 99 cents to like $1.07 or $1.10 or something like that. I went back to work, told them I needed a raise. They're like, you already one of the higher paid guys. What do you need a raise for? I'm like, man, my soda went from 99 cents to $1.10.
Let me show you.
I need it. Like, I need a 10% raise or I can't work here.
Well, I didn't trade.
In hindsight, that's not the best reason to ask for a trade.
This had a raise here.
I was young and vicious. Like, look, my soda costs 10% more. I need a 10% raise. Pay $1.22 for a 2 liter. Oh my goodness! Buy those and ship them to the U.S.
Yeah.
What's the shipping fee?
Fill up a container and then open up a kiosk on the corner.
Yeah, I couldn't believe like what a 12-pack costs now. I don't drink soda that much anymore, so I might stop at the store and pick up like a 20 ounce.
No kidding.
Normally they're on sale, so it's like 2 for $3 or something.
Coke is cheaper. That's insane. Here, all the sodas the exact same price. They don't differentiate from any company. It could be A&W root beer, Fanta, C Plus orange drink, Pepsi, Coke, Dr. Pepper. All the 2 liter bottles are the exact same price. They just have one price for the 2 liter bottles.
They don't have their sales?
Well, yeah, no, I'm saying when there's a sale, yeah, but in general, all the bottles are priced the same. Even when there's a sale, though, actually, it's usually all prices.
Disclaimer.
5 minutes before.
Sometimes this Bloomberg will play music that may or may not get censored. Their opinions are their own. One time I was playing it and they was talking bad about Trump. And everybody was disliking the stream. I'm like, grow up, people.
Let's see if I can find...
Grow up. All right. 5 minutes. Be back in a minute. Be ready to press the button.
No, I don't see the link for the government website. I mean, it's probably easy to find, but... Sure. Basically, I can tell you when your account gets rebuilt, if you are... I don't even know. I don't know if you have to be in admin-only state or even just $1 down. I think Omnia says even 49,999, they'll reset you. I don't know about that because I'm never in that state. I'm either above or the account's finished by the time it rebills. So I couldn't tell you. But anyways, with my accounts, the ones that are in admin only state, because they're blown, I have to keep messaging them to reset them. And they said it's not their fault. It's something to do with Rhythmic now. It doesn't get reset automatically. But I am noticing some of them do. I'd say about 30% are getting reset automatically because I have about 10 of them. So some of them do get reset automatically. Spread is now 50 cents. 50 cents a quarter with only 3 minutes to go.
What are you saying about reset?
Oh, Bulenox.
They reset mine?
You can read, just mail them. They help me in a few minutes. Yeah, that's what I do. I send them a thing and they help me out. They say, we reset it and just restart your platform. I never had a problem with them doing it. I just find it annoying to have to do it. That's all. Yeah, no, they reset about 30% of mine. I would say 30, 40%. Seems to be about that. I'd say 3 out of 4. Or 2 out of 3 don't get reset. Somewhere in that area. Okay, spread 3/4, half 3/4.
We got 2 minutes. I'm gonna see what Bloomberg has to say, and then focus on this trade.
Yeah, I'll take a look, Ruan. Let me just let's get the let's get this thing out of the way. Minute and 40 seconds, half 3/4. Who knows? Maybe the rate cut is priced in already. I'm surprised we're not up to 2 points yet. Okay, 3/4 point. A minute and a half to go. No, I'll do it today. Give me 10 minutes. Deciding who do I trade. I think I'm going to trade the Top Step. And I think I'm going to do a 5-lot. Well, I'm getting a bounce. Whoa, whoa, whoa. A minute before.
Uh-oh. How do I get in that?
We're at 2 points. The spread is up at the 2 points with 30 seconds to go. How do you get in that? You put in a bid.
I don't know.
I got filled.
Might have to jump. Might have to jump, chat.
They're gonna block it for 10 seconds though, after?
15. Might have to jump. Jumped. Is what it is, chat. I got 47.
You're long. I'm long at 41. Only a 1 lot though. There we go. They're going to close the chart. Nice. I'm on the right side of it.
Froze. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, they always froze it.
Looks like I got 37 and 45.
Hey, not bad. At $346.
That was it, chat.
Wow. So we shot up to the previous day's low. Rejected right off it.
Down?
Up, 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 up. You're still frozen? We're up. We're up.
No, I'm talking about the rate.
Down? Won't go up.
Cut the rate, right?
Yeah,
said 2 more cuts.
Oh, I don't know about if they won't say anything about that. I think that's at 2:30, the speech.
All right, let's switch over, show these trades. We're going to lose the FOMC for a minute. Double trades.
Where's my phone? Where'd you put my phone?
I didn't have your phone. One was long, one was short. I don't even know which was which. This one says stopped. It must be the short one.
Oh, my God.
One way, one went the other.
How much fun it is to bother him.
Not sure, Bama. That was my YOLO trade for the day.
I love it. You sound like me on the open.
That gives me one account at 57,760, and the other one at 45.
What? 57? You only need 53. You went all the way up to 57?
I went 53,700.
Oh, I heard you say 57.
Is that what I said? No, 53,700. The other one's at 45,400. So, gives me another account. Now let me get rid of these. I don't even want them visible.
So what's the, it says 3 cuts here. What does that mean, 3 cuts?
They might be saying 3 cuts this year. All right, I got the NQ out of here. I think just putting that on the chart, my heart rate goes up.
Feel your pulse on your neck.
Yeah. Should have had my heart rate meter. Two-year yield.
Whoa!
So did they cut or not?
Holy shit, look at that bar on gold.
Is that the bar?
There's a bar on gold.
What's the ticker?
And that's the 5-minute chart.
GMC, right?
MGC.
Oh, wow.
Now that's a bar.
Who was trading that one? 47 points. All right, they cut by 25.
Yeah. What I don't understand is why are they saying that there's going to be 3 rate cuts this year? Isn't that supposed to be during the speech at 2:30 when they tell you what they think they're going to be doing?
No, they just put out the numbers. Then they're going to talk about the numbers at 2:30.
They put out the whole report.
Yeah, the report's out.
Printed out. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's down 0.25.
Order
So
filled.
she's saying they're going to keep cutting despite inflation. So for anybody that don't
Order
know,
filled.
as interest rates go down, inflation goes up. So
Order filled.
rate cuts are not necessarily a good thing. That means the price of your soda is about to go up, sir.
Mm-hmm.
The more money you have, the more inflation you get. That's why the Fed didn't want to cut. Trump's been pressuring them.
Oh, I thought he was pressuring them to cut.
Yeah, Trump wants them to cut. Powell didn't want to cut.
They don't listen. They do what they want. I don't believe the president has any influence over the...
No. If anything, the president's going to do what the Fed tells him to do. I've said it before. Create a list of the presidents that made the Fed mad.
Say no more, huh? You don't even have to finish that sentence. We have a band bounce here. I don't know how to get up the Renko charts. Let's see. We can get a Renko bounce here.
Am I on top chat again? Am I missing chat?
Probably are.
No.
Well, that's it. Band bounce failed.
Anybody else take the... Is that FOMC too loud? Y'all let me know. Y'all want it lower, higher? Don't matter to me.
Put it louder.
Tell me what you want the volume.
Yeah, put it louder. I can still hear you talking. Really pump it up.
Really pump that up.
I'm going to try and still take a long. That's it. We can't go much lower. 3 points, and I can't go long anymore. 2 points, 1 point. Oh, didn't stay there, didn't hold. And I can't go long anymore.
Everyone says maybe a bit louder.
Hmm.
I had it louder. I turned it down a little bit. We'll go a little bit louder. Now they're mad they didn't cut enough.
Order filled.
Hmm.
Prioritizing growth. We're at all-time highs. What kind of growth you want?
Order filled.
Yeah, that means inflation could
Order
go
filled.
crazy. Especially if they do another one.
Order filled. Order filled.
You got companies like Microsoft
Order
at almost
filled.
a 40 PE,
Order filled.
and they're cutting interest rates.
Hmm.
Nvidia at a PE of 50, over 50.
Wow, gold is making new highs.
See?
For the
They're
day.
talking about the dollar going down. They're deflating the dollar. That means inflation skyrockets.
It's about
So-
time. Meat's been getting so cheap. All we're eating is steak every night. It's about time they
All
raise
right, Lou.
prices. I'm being
All right, Lou.
sarcastic.
Oh. Like, you're freaking crazy.
A 4-pack of steak the other day at Costco was $75. I said, shit, it's soon going to be over $100 for 4 measly steaks at the store. Forget the restaurant.
I'm telling my wife to buy a hamburger. She's like, why don't we get steak instead? I'm like, why do we got to get steak? She's like, the steak's cheaper than the hamburger. We're about the same price. Might as well buy the steaks.
Mm.
I'm like, this is getting ridiculous.
Mm-hmm. Poor chickens.
Yeah, ruined prices are insane on everything.
I tried to go short. Shit, at 64, I could have had quick 20 points, 25 points. Didn't get
Well,
filled.
it's almost cheaper to go to the restaurant and buy a hamburger than it is to make it.
Mm.
I can go buy a half-pound hamburger for like $10. Comes with
Wow.
French fries. Comes with French fries, a drink, a soup.
Oh,
I don't even think I could buy the ingredients to make that at home.
mm. So NQ's coming down. Gold's going higher. Honestly, I would have figured they would have moved in the right direction.
Now I'm gonna go write my $5,000 a day, right?
Mm-hmm. Do it. Do
Put it
it.
in
Do
big
it.
letters on the thumbnail.
Hmm.
$5,000. We're not gonna mention the one that's down 4,500.
No, you don't have to.
That's how you do it, huh?
Just don't put the word net. Just put the number. You could selectively choose which account you want to display.
Well, technically, I'm still net up about $5,000.
Hmm.
That account's gone. It don't count. You can't reference an account that's not there.
Mm. Nasdaq is sideways. How the hell are you saying Nasdaq is sideways? What's the sideways? We shot up, we came down like 100 points up, 100 points down. We're sideways. Okay, well, I guess it's open to interpretation, eh?
Trying to listen to what this guy's saying.
Order filled.
Oh my God, I thought I saw spiders. My wife is giving me hearts.
He's saying they want the interest
Hey,
rate
babe.
below 3% by the end of the year. How could they even do that?
Order filled. Order filled.
FOMC's quarterly, right? Wouldn't this be? This be the third quarter. They ain't got but one more FOMC, right? Or
Yeah.
big one. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Unless they're gonna do another one next month.
So I don't get it. You're making an argument that they're going to lower rates and it's going to increase inflation. But when we have high inflation, they lower rates to slow down inflation.
No, that's not true. You're wrong.
Yeah.
They raise rates.
When
No,
you're
no.
when you're wrong with inflation, they'll raise the rate.
This guy. This is the same guy that told me you're eating a cookie.
I have no idea what that is the thing.
And that was just me and him. Somebody has a bad influence on you, sir.
The good, the good news is I'm not spitting food at the mic. Whoa, we're dumping. But according to someone that I'm listening to, we're going sideways. Wow, some people are off on like Planet
Who said we're going sideways?
Planet Lunatic. I don't even want to say his name. I don't want to embarrass him.
Damn sure wasn't me.
No.
Why is it falling? Everybody's setting everything up to readjust to what they're doing.
Yeah, well, I guess everyone expected the rate cut. They just didn't expect 3 rate cuts being announced in September. I mean, you like you said, you got October, November, December. That means out of the next 3 months, there's going to be at least 2 rate cuts.
I wouldn't be surprised if we get a drop. Remember, we're looking for the... I got to turn this down. It's too loud in my ear.
Spice trading sideways.
Let me turn that. I'll let it play for y'all. If y'all want to mute it, let me know.
You know what I'm smelling? Go.
What?
I'm smelling a dump, and then when he talks, it's going to rocket higher.
I don't know. The longer term. I think over the next... So this is mid-September, so we got, October, 3.5 months to go for the year. So we generally get a Santa Claus rally, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're expecting December to rally. So in order for December to rally, what do we got to do? We got to drop. So we could drop 2,400, 23, mid 23s, even down to low 23s. And then come December, push back up.
Mm.
The cutting the interest rate is kind of a double-edged sword because it allows companies to borrow money cheaper, which floods money into the market. And that's going to help out a lot of companies. You got companies like, let's see,
Coca-Cola,
Yep.
Pepsi.
You want to look at Meta. Meta is really a bad example. Let's go to Broadcom. Let's go over here and look at the finance. Go to annual cash flow. So they
Order
got
filled.
almost $60 billion in debt. You can't see it. It's below the number you see there. That's not the right number.
Order
So it's
filled.
almost $60 billion in debt. So if we drop the interest rate by 1 point and they refinance
filled.
that debt, that's a lot of money.
Order filled.
And then that money goes right back into the stock
Order
or the
filled.
shareholders,
Mm.
or they can buy back shares. So just for that one company, you know, that's a lot of money. Let's pick another one. What about Netflix? So if we go once again, finance, balance sheet, they've only got 8 billion, but that's still a lot of money. Let's go Adobe. 6 billion. Starbucks. So Starbucks got 22 billion. So even if you cut that by 1%, that's a lot of money. But at the same time, when you flood money into the market, you're also increasing inflation
Order filled.
because,
Order filled.
like, we'll use the pizza example. So if you have a pizza and it has 6 slices and you get one of those 6 slices. But now if they take it and they cut the 6 slices into 12 slices and you only get one, you still got one piece of pizza, but you only got half of what you would have got before.
Who would do such a thing? Who would start
The
cutting?
more money they print, the more money they put into the market, the more inflation goes crazy.
Order filled.
Don't touch my pizza.
Order filled.
Also, if you look at dropping the interest rate to help out companies, we go back, we look at, say, Microsoft again,
Order
which is one of the
filled.
best companies in the world. Top 10 companies make up like 40% of the S&P.
Order filled.
So a company like Microsoft is a huge portion of the U.S. and I guess a lot of other
Order
countries
filled.
too. So when they're trading at a 38
filled.
PE, they lower the interest rates. It gives them more money to buy, send up their stock price up, and now you're buying Microsoft up here at a 50 PE. Then if you understand PE ratio and what your expected returns are over the next 10 years, that's not really where people want to buy. They want to buy down here. So when Microsoft shoots up, we have to have that correction.
Order filled.
Also
Order
pulling
filled.
Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. I don't know that any of them, Bitcoin, gold, futures, I don't know that any of them are really going a direction. I think there's new information in the market. So they have to readjust to the new information. Think of it like you're going on a trip and you have the GPS set,
Order filled.
and all of a sudden in your path there's
Order
an
filled.
accident or something, the roads are blocked, and the GPS has to re-navigate. So now you're
Order
changing your
filled.
whole direction.
Mm.
Order filled.
I'm up 300 on day traders so far.
I think the 25-point cut was already priced in, but the news that we're going to get maybe 2 more by the end of the year. Generally, when we see cuts like that, we're in a market crash.
Uh-oh.
That's not, you generally don't see that at all-time highs.
I'm cutting my size.
Also, keep in mind that when we do have a market crash, the way they fix it is by cutting rates. So if there's no rates to cut in a market crash, you get a bigger crash. There's no way to correct it.
I trade really good when I eat.
Oh, yeah?
Apparently.
We got 220.
This is beautiful.
230.
Yep, 40 points of range on the 1 minute candles. You see, this is my wheelhouse. This is where anytime you click the button, as long as you do it properly at the right time, you make money. And what I mean by right time is when I get a setup. I don't chase. I just stay disciplined, which I was. I've been incredibly disciplined through this whole thing, eh? You guys don't see it because I'm trading on my daytraders.com chart. But yeah, I've been really disciplined here. Good job, good job. Come, Spanky. Come up.
I don't know. I ain't got no more buttons left to push unless I want to try to pass another account. I feel like that might end bad.
Dealer draws 57, Ruan draws 31. Wah, wah. Okay, we're looking to take a long here. Not the greatest of trades. I won't call it an A+ trade. Bearish momentum is above bullish momentum currently. We're below VWAP. We're below previous day's low. But the current ultra short-term trend right now is up for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but last 8 minutes. I'm a short-term trader.
Order filled. Order filled.
That was a nice trade. Another 64 bucks, 364. I went long. 3 lot 664. I got 10 points on that in a few seconds. I hope they don't penalize me for less than 15-second trades.
You had a great trade. We're going to punish you.
Yeah. What are you going to do in this kind of volatility? You got 10 points. Really? I'm going to count to 10 and sit there?
Stuff like that drives me crazy.
Get out your stopwatch. You hit your target, but get out your stopwatch. You should do that in the Olympics too, eh? You won the race, but you got to take 1,000 steps. You only did it in 890. So go back, do another 110 steps. Idiots. I can always tell them I don't know how to count to 10. That's why I only take out 7. That's why my take profit is 7 points.
That's what I would do.
I can't count to 10. I stop at 7.
I would do it.
I lost 3 of my fingers in a lawnmower accident.
Actually, that's not even what I would do. You know what I would do? I would just say it was 10 seconds. What are you talking about? I counted. Listen, I counted to 10.
There's a problem with your rhythmic, or with your Tradovate, or your whatever it is, wherever you're getting your data from.
You want me to take a video of my stopwatch next time?
This is where I get hurt. Taking a sell right here when the ultra short-term momentum is to the upside. But not doing it. I'm going to try and get in on a long again.
Mike, you know I dispute everything.
Yeah, you do. Hey, good boy, Sparky. I'm doing something that's ultra not recommended. I'm teaching my cat to come up on my desk.
I thought you was going to say you were teaching your cat how to trade. We need big buttons for the cat. Let the cat choose the trade.
And the cat can't count to 10 either.
Yeah, we're going to have to put 2 cat toys on the floor. One's long, one's short. Chat.
I'm gonna regret it. He's gonna walk across my keyboard one day.
All right, I gotta re-up my drink before this other guy comes and talks. Be back in a second.
Order filled.
Well, we know you can go 15. Whoa, someone's phone dropped.
Order filled.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Oh. Wow, that's a big move up. You really... That's it, Sparks. You don't want to take a nap? I know what I'm going to open up. I'm going to open up.
We got Powell getting ready to speak in a minute.
What time do you have to leave?
Me?
Yeah.
Sometime between now and 3.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I think the
Nothing
wife's
bad.
getting the kids from school today, but she does want to take me out to a movie. So I think we got to leave as soon as she gets here.
Yeah.
I got to be dressed and ready and out the door, I think, at 3.
Is it an anime movie? I know some people were going to go see an anime or something like that.
No. I think it's a horror movie.
Oh, okay.
Either a horror movie or a horror movie. I don't know. One or the other. I figure they'll both
There
work.
is my trade copier. Oh, it's down here.
I need to learn how all of this works with economics. Anyone have any suggestions for videos or channels? The whole movie? I think we're watching the whole movie.
Why
There
wouldn't
was a
you?
horror movie out. One of those ghost movies or something. Conjuring or something? I don't know. She's like, you want to watch a kid's movie or take the kids, or you want to just watch an adult movie? I'm like, we can watch a kid movie. She looks it up, said, nope, we're going to watch this horror movie. I'm like, yeah, that's what I meant to say. Sure. All right, there he is. Let's listen in. What's this guy got to say?
$2.30. Let's wait a few minutes. I'm going to take a 5-minute break. I'll be back.
All right.
I don't want to trade during these first Whoa, we're both gone? Where did he run to? It was my break. I'm back. Okay. Running higher again. 236. I guess I can trade. Wow, this wealth chart's everything you press is on a 1 second delay. You press, it registers. You press, it registers. That's really shitty. Trading lower. Oh, I gotta change my symbol. Where do I change my symbol? It's the December. Yeah, don't make it easy. You know, should be that you just click on it, but I'll be back in a second. I don't know. I gotta see how you change the symbol on this stupid fucking thing. Seriously, you gotta be fucking joking me.
Chuck.
Am I gonna lose my shit with this? Are you doing check?
Can you still hear me?
I do.
Think so.
I do.
He's finishing up his comments now. Where'd you go?
My God, I'm talking to you all this time. My mic is off. Oh, I'm trying to change. No, it's not. I'm just full screen trying to figure out how to change the symbol on stupid wealth charts.
He's talking about unemployment going up and inflation going up at the same time. That's not good.
Search symbol, is that it? Wow, what a bunch of idiots.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn that back down. Don't got much longer, so if anybody's still listening to that guy,
MNQZ5.
Okay.
5.
So if you want to go over what he's talking about, he is basically saying that the employment rate's going down. It doesn't necessarily mean unemployment's going up. but it means we have less people in the market. At the same time, we're having inflation go up. So that's like a double-edged bad thing. So for those that don't know, when unemployment rate goes up or employment rate goes down by a few percentage, that's generally a sign of a recession. So could be hearing the first signs of a slowing economy and a recession. Then if you add inflation on top of that, basically means nobody has jobs and they can't afford anything. Now, does that mean that we'd have a recession tomorrow? No. But with people talking about 2026 possible, could see something possibly in 2026. Doesn't mean we have to. It's just first signs of negative growth.
Wow. I tell you, I was talking about these guys making their platforms, like when they're on tequila. This one's got to be the worst. I'm in the trading tab, and there's nothing to put up trading buttons. I have no trading buttons now because I couldn't find where to change my template. And it's not automatic.
On the platform or the website?
Yeah, no, wealth chart on the platform. I was on the September contract. It took me forever to figure out how to change the symbol. You don't just click on the symbol because that's too intelligent and instinctive. So you had to go deep within some menu, and now I don't have trading buttons because my chart closed. And if you go into the dashboard and you go under the trading section, there's broker portfolio, option analysis, option chain, time and sales, stats, option order entry, trading competition, simulator, trading copier, wealth tracker, and DOM. But there isn't just simple trade buttons. Seriously.
Lady's asking him why we're expecting inflation, and yet he's dropping the interest rate. Just telling him that seems kind of reckless. So it sounds like they're trying to get in front of a possible recession.
My camera's going to go again.
And again, they're talking about cutting rates, and again, the bond's not going up.
There we go. 3 years later, I'm back in business. I don't think this is the greatest trade copier for a fast market, because everything is on a 1 second delay. It's click, click, click. You see it on the chart. Even when you change size. I change size. You know, I go for wealth charts. Like I change contract size. I click on the plus sign. I click on the plus. 3 goes to 4. Plus 5. Like, really? You need that much time to think when I click on the plus. I do it on NinjaTrader. It's instant. As soon as I press, you don't even see it. But on wealth charts, press it, reacts. press it, react. That's a way to keep you in a trade for 15 seconds, right? If we make everything change really slowly. Do you find I complain a lot?
Listening to this guy.
My daughter says I do. All you do is complain. Not going anywhere with you.
So not only nobody got any money, he says that goods are fixing to go up quite a bit because of tariffs.
Wow, you gotta be kidding me.
I guess your soda's going to cost $2 now.
Mm-hmm. Where's my task manager? What are we looking
Like
at?
it's-
53.47.
I don't think it's the fact that people can't find jobs. It's the fact that so many jobs out there ain't paying no money.
Mm.
Y'all got minimum wage in
Yep.
Canada?
Mm-hmm.
I think a lot of states is still like $7 an hour or something. I think Florida's like 15. I think Georgia's like $7 an hour. Who the hell could live on that?
Wow, that's crazy.
You'd have to work 100 hours a week just to pay rent.
Well, you don't need to eat.
Yeah,
That's-
we don't need to eat.
That's a luxury.
It's a luxury. Guess we all gonna start camping outside of our jobs. Don't need cars.
That was a nice wick over there. Let's see if we can continue to the upside.
All right, I'm going to cut that. I gotta leave here shortly.
Mm.
Chit chat with you for a minute. How's life going over there?
Quiet. Angry with the wealth charts.
Uh-oh.
They're very, very slow to react.
I thought you liked the wealth charts.
Great copier, but they're very slow to react. You can't use them in fast markets. They're just too slow to react. It seems like when you press the button, it's 2 seconds. Where's my trade copier?
Okay, I got a few minutes. I don't know if you're going to cut out when I do or hang out. Oh, any cares or concerns for a few minutes? I'm up like 5,000 a day if we don't include the count of blue. Gotta be like the other streamers, right?
Yeah.
How to make $5,000 in one day. YOLO, baby.
That is so funny.
I just hope I got all those charts deleted.
You want to see how crazy it works? Let me see if I could set it up here. Display count. I think it's over here. Okay, so there you have my my PA, right? You see the button here? Can you see it? Hold on. Oh, no, it's not showing. It's not on the mouse. No, it's not properly set up. It's properly set up for the other chart. Whatever one it is. The daytrader.com. It's the dimensions, you know, the screen capture. It's not the same. I can't show you. But anyways, here, I'll click it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10. So the 1, 2, I clicked the plus sign. I was at a 5 lot. I clicked the plus sign. I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10. So it displayed 7 and it displayed 10. But that's the time delay. Click, 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 click. 7, 10.
Maybe
instead
that's
of going
how they get it to result copy.
Instead of going 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on each click, I click, 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 click. 5 goes to 7, 10. It's too much of a delay. It's stupid. Anyways, bring it back down. I certainly don't want to trade a 10 lot. Yeah, but the thing is, you don't know if it registered the click or not.
I'm looking at my one of my charts. There's like this perfect entry signal. I got in right there. Of course, I got in on accident, right? I was scared to jump in the way that thing was jumping around. You seen it? We had it jumping back and forth about 20, 30 points there. I was like, well, I'm just going to have to jump, I guess. Jump in.
Jump in! Sparky, bug off.
It was actually crazy how both my orders were around the same price. Wow, the candles jumping up and down like this. That was just sheer luck. I don't think it would have mattered, but...
Daily P&L 61.
All right, that's going to do it for me.
Yeah, I think I'll close up also. I muted you.
Huh?
No, I'm reading your message there. I muted you.
Oh, shit, that was like 30 minutes ago.
Was it? Okay, you're right. 2:37, 2:55, 20 minutes ago. Okay, guys, that was fun. I'll see you tomorrow morning, 9:15 or earlier.
It's hard to be playing that guy talking and I'm talking and you're talking and
yeah,
well,
especially in a fast market. Yep, sounds good.
Yeah, and a fast market and everything.
Yeah, it's a fast market. Yeah, it's okay. We had a good time.
It's a work in progress.
Sounds good.
Guys, appreciate everyone hanging out. See everyone. Are you streaming tonight?
Nah. I'm gonna try and work on a video
tomorrow. Then say bye tomorrow morning.
Yep.
Hope everybody has a great rest of the day. Say bye tomorrow morning.
Take care, guys. Bye.
Later, guys.